वेलकम टू वॉइस अध्ययन। लास्ट क्लास में विटामिन B7 कंप्लीट करते। आज आम विटामिन बी कम्प्लेक्स अनदर लास्ट टू विटामिन्स को कंप्लीट करवा सहित विटामिन सी भी कंप्लीट करवा। सो चलते क्लास स्टार्ट करिया। सो फर्स्ट हूँ विटामिन B9। ओके, लास्ट क्लास विटामिन B7 जहाँ कंप्लीट करते। सो B9 जो विटामिन कहवा केमिकल नेम हूँ फॉलिक एसिड। ओके, कमिंग टू सोर्सेस, green leafy vegetables, fruits, juices, peas, bean, nuts, soybean, milk, egg, liver, etc. These are the sources of vitamin B9. Then coming to the function, as we know that vitamin B9 is known as folic acid. Basically folic acid promotes spermatogenesis, okay, also stimulates the formation of RBC and WBC. RBC is red blood cell and WBC is white blood cell. Okay, then also limits the psychological disorder like depression. You know that in today's case that depression, anxiety is a common diseases from which people suffer. Then coming to the deficiency, that is the microlytic anemia and gastrointestinal disorder. These are the two deficiency you can call for the vitamin B9. Then coming to the daily requirements, 300 to 400 mg per day is required. Okay. Then coming to the vitamin B12, the chemical name is clovalamine, or you can called as your cyanoclovalamine. Sources, neither plants nor animals can synthesize the vitamin B12. Only certain microorganisms can synthesize it. So basically vitamin B12 is stored in the organs of the various animals like livers, egg, meat and fish. Okay, daily required 5 mg per day. Okay, coming to the deficiency, megaloblastic anemia is a deficiency of vitamin B12. Then our vitamin B complex is completed. Coming to the vitamin C, is known as your ascorbic acid. The chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Coming to the sources, citrus food, right, like lemon, oranges are the rich source of vitamin C, and also green vegetables, cabbage, lettuce, guavas, berries, melons and tomatoes also contain vitamin C. Coming to the daily requirements, adults need 70 mg per day and infants need 30 mg per day. Okay. Then coming to the function, concerned with the metabolism of connective tissues, particularly like collagen is one of the example of connective tissue. Then maintains the redox potential of the cell. Then proline is converted into hydroxyproline in the presence of vitamin C, and hydroxyproline is important constituent of the collagen. Okay. Then help in absorption of the iron from the intestine. Then reduce the duration and severity of the common cold. Common cold, you can say that reduce the duration and the severity of common cold. That means it's boost your immune system. Okay. Then coming to the deficiency is known as scurvy. Symptoms is poor deposition and intercircular cement substance which is known as your collagen. Okay, and capillaries are fragile, and so there is a tendency of hemorrhage. Okay, wound healing and is delayed due to the deficiency of formation of the collagen. Okay, gums are swollen and decay easily. For that reason, tooth loss. Okay, and also your bones get weaker. Okay, leading to fracture. So from these points we can call that vitamin C is a very important vitamin which is necessary for our body, basically for to boost our immune system. In the time of corona, it very needed vitamin, we can say, for our body, and also it helps to make our teeth and as well as your gums and bones healthier. So definitely everyone should take a very healthy food which is rich in vitamins and minerals in their daily life. So our vitamin, both water soluble as well as fat soluble vitamins over today. So next class we will discuss about the minerals, various type of minerals. So क्लास केमिति लागुची आपण निश्चय जणेबे कमेंट करिके जदि क्लास टी भल लगिथो देन लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करंतु निज फ्रेंड्स को सहित शेयर करंतु एंड केमिति आमे ट्राई करबा जल्दी जल्दी कोर्स को कंप्लीट करिया पे सेटा भी ट्राई करिया कोर्स जो हमर क्लासेस रे ड्यूरेशन मु कम रखुछ जिनस हो कि क्लास रे ड्यूरेशन कम रखा द्वारा आपण माने इजीली कम टाइम भितर जिनसटा पढ़ी पारे एंड ताकू रिविजन करंतु मल्टीपल टाइम्स रिविजन करंतु सो दैट वंस कोर्स कंप्लीटेड तो ता सहित आपन पाठ पढ़ा भी ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट हेइतो आपन सब्जेक्ट ओके जदि कौन से बुक्स आपन चाहउछंती जोटा हमर ओपीएससी पे हो या फिर ऑप्शनल पे हो स्पेशली होम साइंस पे सो डिस्क्रिप्शन में तार लिंक दे दीची आपन में जाई से बुक्स उडा चेक करि पारे if you want to purchase then आपन से लिंक थ्रू जे परचेस करि पारे या फिर आपन ऑफलाइन भी ताको परचेस करि पारे सो चलो तो क्लास को एठी रखिबा थैंक यू वेरी मच।